How to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. Everyone, my name is Smala, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers on your TikTok account. So the very first step is to launch your Google Play Store. On the top search bar, you can simply search for TikTok and install and update the latest version of TikTok so that you won't miss out any features. After that, open the TikTok, and now since I do not have 1,000 followers, I cannot go live on my TikTok. So what I can do is go on my settings and privacy option by tapping on the top right side with three vertical lines on it and tapping on settings and privacy option. And after that, if I change my account to business account, then I might be able to go live. And if I cannot be able to go live, then what you can do is request the person who are already live. If you request the person who are already live, then if they accept to make you go live on the TikTok, then you can simply request them to make you go live, also connect them. So being connected is also one way how you can go live on TikTok, and there are no options. So what you can simply do is scroll down and down and tap on the report a problem option. After you tap on the report a problem option, you can see there is the option of live and hosting. And when you tap on that, if you don't find the report and hosting option, you can simply tap on the report option again. And after that, you can simply tap on chat with us option and report the problem just like that and say what your problem is. And then TikTok will interact and give you feedback within some days. And this might solve your problem. So this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.